Good morning everyone, my name is William Gordon E. Today I am going to present about my proposal of my final year project. The title of my project is E-FYP, which is Final Year Project Management System. And now I am going to present about the background of the project. Final year project is a project required by all the undergraduate students at University Technology Malaysia during their final year as one of prerequisites to graduate. The coordinator is the person who in charge to manage the final year project system. And now currently, the system is handled manually by the coordinator. Next, I am going to present about the problem statement of the project. In this manual system, the coordinator has faced a lot of problems such as difficulties to manage and document all the evaluation form. This is because when the supervisor and panels give the evaluation and marks for the report and presentation, there will be multiple evaluation forms that must be filled by the supervisor and various panels just for one student. It is very tasking for the coordinator to manage and document all the evaluation form. This might cause the coordinator miss some marks and make an error calculation for the final result of that students. The second problem is difficulties communication with all the participants. This is because there is no specific medium of interaction for the coordinator to communicate with all the participants. For example, the coordinator cannot get the latest status of the students in the progress of choosing their supervisor, and this will cause the students delays their progress of the project. The third problem is difficulties in achieving the forms. Since there are multiple evaluation forms of one student, it will take some time for the coordinator to search all the documents and all the forms of their students, and this is less efficient for the job of coordinator. Besides, the problem that faced by the coordinator is that the students are difficult to get previous resources from the supervisor and coordinator, and also the student cannot view their current mark of the project. And next, I'm going to present about the proposed solution. E-FYP is an online system that includes some functionalities that can be used by the coordinator to replace the manual system. This system can help the coordinator to manage the final year project easily. First, the supervisor and panels can enter the mark and evaluation in the system instead of filling multiple evaluation forms. After keying in the marks and evaluation, the system will automatically calculate the final results of the students. Next, the system will provide a supervisor list for the student to choose their supervisor through the system. And when the student apply the supervisor can accept or reject the application of that student through the system. Hence, the coordinator can get the latest status of student in the progress of choosing their supervisor in real time. Besides that, the system will also provide the resources of past years' example work that uploaded by the supervisor and coordinator. And this will let the student to get the resources quickly through the system. And lastly, the student also can view their current mark of the project through the system. Next, I'm going to present about the objectives of the project. There are three objectives in this project, which is to design an online system that can replace the manual system of final year project. Second one is to implement the system that can easier for the coordinator to manage the students' final year project. And the last one is to test and evaluate the reliability of E-FYP. And the last one, I'm going to present about the scope of the project. E-FYP is a web-based application that will use suitable programming language such as Laravel, HTML, CSS, PHP, and so on to be developed. And the stakeholder of the project is the coordinator of the final year project. And in this system, there are 4 actors, which is coordinator, supervisor, panel, and also the student. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you.